Welcome to Evolution of a Plant to Land by Robert, Adam, Nicholas Luck, and Nicholas Thompson. Let's find out some information on plants. I like to start at the beginning. So, let's start at the beginning of plants on Earth. The earliest photosynthetic organisms on land would have resembled modern algae, cyanobacteria, and lichens, followed by bryophytes. Bryophytes are described as seedless, non-vascular plants. Their lack of vascular tissue for transport of water and nutrients limits their size. Bryophytes don't have typical stem, leaves, or roots. They can grow in a wide range of environments and are poikilohydric. When the environment dries out, so does the plant, remaining dormant while dry but recovering rapidly when wetted. About 500 million years ago, plants appeared on land. So now these water plants had to evolve. The evolution from water to land faced four main challenges: the body support, transportation of materials, fertilization, and the evolution of seeds. Body support. In water, organisms are buoyant and the effects of gravity are minimal. On land, if a plant is to grow tall, it needs to withstand the forces of gravity. What adaptations allows plants to get tall? Rigid cell walls developed to provide support. A second challenge to life on land was the distribution of water and other materials to each cell. In aquatic forms, transport occurs directly from the surrounding environment. On land, plants must get water and other materials from the soil. A differentiation of plant parts also evolved. Leaf cells that specialized in making food, stem and branch cells to provide support, and root cells to transport nutrients from the soil. A third challenge during the transition to land involved bringing sex cells together. In water, sperm are able to swim directly to eggs. On land, this can only happen in moist environments. The final challenge resulted in the evolution of seeds. A fertilized egg can develop into an embryo that is never in danger of dehydrating in an aquatic environment. In addition, the embryo can receive water and nutrients directly from the surrounding environment. The opposite is true on land. On land, an embryo can dry out rapidly and exist in an environment where water and nutrients exist in the ground. Seeds represent adaptations that conquer these challenges. Let's discuss some factors of land plants, starting with the structure. Two main parts, shoots and roots. Roots have initial root coming from the seed, lateral root, which is the side branch of the main root, and an example of a taproot is a carrot. Fibrous roots have many roots, none more important than the other. The shoots. Stem. This is where the formation of buds and flowers. Nodes are what connects the leaf to the stem. Leaves. Their main purpose is photosynthesis. Okay, now on to pollination. More specifically, cross-pollination, where two different parent plants are involved. Successful cross-pollination results in pollen being delivered from the male part or stamen of one flower to the female part of another. Next, sperm are produced with the pollen grain, and a pollen tube carrying the sperm grows toward the ovary at the base of the flower. Fertilization, which is another crucial event, occurs when the pollen tube grows into the ovary and sperm are united with the egg. After pollination and fertilization have occurred, the next event in a flowering plant's life cycle involves the development of the offspring, which starts out as an embryo within a seed. The next crucial event is dispersal of the seed to a suitable environment for it to germinate, grow, and develop into a reproductive adult. Seeds have a few different ways of being dispersed: expulsion, wind, water, and animals. The end. We hope you found it interesting and informative. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.